a.m. new tonight. Schools aren't letting a snow day stop learning. Some will be sending students home today with blizzard bags to keep their minds sharp at home tomorrow. WBZ's David Robichaud continues our team coverage in Revere tonight. Roby?
Paula, we're outside the Paul Revere Innovation School. One of the innovative things they're doing is making sure young minds stay active, even though they'll be snowed in at home tomorrow. And you would think this would be controversial, but these kids really dig it.
Attention, boys and girls.
This is Mrs. Kelly with an interruption. The city of Revere declared no school tomorrow.
That's just about the reaction you'd expect when a snow day is announced, but unlike many of their peers across the state, these kids at the Paul Revere Innovation School won't be goofing off all day tomorrow.
Number one. Number two.
Their teachers are handing out blizzard bags. What are those, you ask?
You do it when it's a blizzard, so you have work to do.
Inside those Ziploc bags are assignments the kids have to complete by Friday, theoretically, before they venture outside and do regular snow day stuff.
You get to learn more knowledge.
What about letting the young pupils just have fun on the off day?
Well, they are having fun. In these lessons, we made fun. They're not just your typical standard, just a busy worksheet. They really incorporate the weather and what they're doing outside.
Principal Kelly told me they've had a 98% return rate with the program so far, and we couldn't find any 2%ers.
What would you say to a friend who said, oh, that sounds like a bummer?
I would say it's not a bummer because you get more knowledge from doing the blizzard bag. Your brain is not mush.
It'll be mushy enough outside on Tuesday. When the buses roll the next time, these kids will have an advantage.
So when we come back to school, our brains are fresh.
But it's good to have a fresh brain.
Yeah.
So you're probably thinking to yourself, oh, I get it. They do this so they don't have to make up the day at the end of the school year, you know, go later into June or whatever. It doesn't count against the 180-day calendar. They still have to make up the day, even though they do the blizzard bag program. But we didn't hear any complaints around about this, and the kids all said they're still going to factor in time to have fun tomorrow. That's the latest live in Revere. I'm David Robichaud, WBZ News.